Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss about positive detector. See, what is positive detector is, we have the clock. This is my clock. This is the clock. This is the data. Okay. This is my data. What is positive detector output? Positive detector means what? When the positive you have to detect, correct? Where is the positive? This one, right? What is the output is? This. This is my output. When positive comes, this output need to. Okay, then how I can write the hardware? Analyze. See, this is the data. If I flop this one, it means the data underscore D I am drawing. If I flop this one, then what is the output? This is the output, right? If you flop it, this is the output. Then, when this is, what is the condition here? 0, 0. Here 1, 0. Here 1, 1 is there. Now 1, 0 conditions, I have to select this. I have to, if 1, 0 condition, I have to prove. Remaining all condition is false. How I can do that? Same. There is a flop. It has data is the input. This is the data underscore D. This is data underscore D, correct? Now what I have to do? This is 1, this is 0, then only I need to generate the output. Remaining all condition modes. What is the truth table for that? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0. This is my truth table, right? This is my truth table. If you do K-map, what you will get? What you will get? 0, 0, 1, 0. Here what? This is data. This is data B, data underscore B. This is the output, right? This is data underscore B, this is the output, right? Now, this is data. This is data underscore B. Then, what is this one? 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, right? Here 1, right? Data dot data underscore B bar. This is the equation. Means that what I am giving? Data. This is knotted. I given to AND gate. AND gate here. Now check it. See here. For this edge, what data is there? Data bar. What is there? 0, 0 is there. 0, 0. One input of AND gate is 0. Output is 0. Next 1, 0. Here is what is there? 1 is there. Here 0 I given. Correct. This is DQ, right? This is the one. Here what is there? 1, 0 is there. 1, 0 means what? 1, 0 means what? Here 0 inverted, 1 will come, output will goes 1. 1, 1 case. I put 1, 1 here then. Here 1 means it automatically this will 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Okay. This is the hardware for this. What is the hardware? There is a flop. It has data. Here data underscore D. This is DQ. This is the clock. This is directly here. This is the NOT and given to AND gate. This is the output. This output is this. That output is this. How I am drawing? I am flopping the data. That's why I flopped it. That flopped data is 0. That's why I inverted. This data is always 1. When this condition only true. That's why if any one condition is true according to OR gate, that's why what AND gate, sorry, not OR gate, AND gate. That's why what I did, I given 1 here and 0 inverted. 0 inverted means what is that indirectly? This become 1, this become 1, then output will be 1. 1 case it will fail because here 1, then 1 means inverted 0, it will go 0 here. This is the positive detector. First you have to analyze, you have to know this waveform. Then draw the hardware. Don't mug up the hardware. See, you what is the truth table? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. In 1 0 condition only you have to get true, right? That's why 1 0 condition, when gate will do, answer is, suppose this is data, this is data underscore b, then when data dot this one data b bar, right? Data b bar, data b bar, correct? That's why data v bar is this one. Data is this, data v bar this. I put the NOT gate here. That's because it is a NOT gate. This one is This is the positive data. Okay, thank you.